how to fix Taskbar not working in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, in your keyboard, go ahead and press Windows plus I and it's gonna open up your settings. Once you're inside your settings, go ahead and tap on personalization right over here. Scroll below and then simply tap on Taskbar. So once you're inside the Taskbar section, you want to make sure it is not set to hide. And also make sure that task view and widgets is toggled on. Once you do that, you'll then be able to fix your issue. If not, you want to go ahead and press Ctrl Shift plus Escape in your keyboard. And just like that, Task Manager is going to open up. Inside Task Manager, you want to go ahead and search for Windows Explorer. So go ahead and search for it. And once you find it, right click onto it. And then simply tap on Restart. And once you do that, you'll then be able to fix your Taskbar issue. That is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.